Okay, this is an osculating sander I use, and I'm probably going to block the camera when I get everywhere. Lots of noise. Okay, you always sand the edges down, and then this is a bevel tool. And I go around and bevel. Yeah, all the shop stays messy. It's a working shop. I'm always doing this and never finding the time to clean like I should be. But it is what it is. This right here is my beveler and sander. You get it at Harbor Freight. You buy yourself a buffing wheel, and then you can go on ProEdgeBurnishers.com, I think it is. I'll try to look it up. But there's a gentleman that makes these, and he does a good job. And that's about the fastest way you can burnish. I also have a foreman tool up here with another burnisher of his on it that I use for inside holes and belt loops. And then you come over here to the buffer and buffer the edges, and that gets them really good to smooth.